Healthy sperm under a microscope might look pretty unimpressive, tiny squiggles darting around, but to biologists, they're fascinating. Each one has a distinct structure: a head containing DNA, a midpiece packed with energy-producing mitochondria, and a flagellum, tail, for movement. Functionality is key. What's healthy? For starters, a normal sperm count is about 15 million per milliliter of semen. Under the scope, you'd ideally see a good portion moving progressively forward. If they're swimming in aimless circles or worse, lying still, that's a red flag for fertility. Then there's morphology. Shape matters. Harmfully misshapen sperm can't fertilize eggs effectively. Healthy ones have oval heads and thin, long tails. It's like Goldilocks, not too big, not too small, but just right. Otherwise, fertilization gets tricky. But here's the thing, even abnormal sperm is normal. Yes, you heard me. It's estimated that upwards of 90% of sperm in an average sample can exhibit irregularities. The body's approach to production? Quantity over quality. Numbers balance the odds. Motility, though, can't be shirked. Ideally, 40% or more of your sperm should show some level of movement. Among them, at least 32% should swim directly, like they're late for a meeting. Movement determines whether they can reach and fertilize an egg. A common pain point: lifestyle affects these numbers more than people think. Smoking, excessive heat, hot tubs, anyone? Tight underwear and poor nutrition can hurt both motility and morphology. Avoiding these is fertile ground for improvement. See what I did there? Speaking of heat, pro tip: testes are outside the body for a reason. Sperm thrive in a cooler environment. So, if you're looking to optimize your swimmers, no saunas or thermal briefs. Thank me in 9 months. Ever wondered about diet? Zinc, vitamin C, and folic acid are game changers for sperm health. Think oysters, citrus fruits, and leafy greens. Alcohol in moderation, though. Too much can drop your count by nearly 20%. It's sobering math. Stress management is also huge. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can mess with testosterone production. And if testosterone takes a hit, sperm production follows suit. Yes, even your sperm have workplace stress, they just don't have an HR department. Microscope sperm analysis shows more than meets the eye. It highlights not just reproductive health, but often underlying systemic health. For instance, issues with sperm count can correlate with hormonal or even genetic disorders. It's fascinating, really. Here's an underrated fact: sperm health isn't just about conception. Even if you're not trying for kids, poor sperm quality can hint at broader health issues. Heart health, for example, is often linked to testosterone levels. Your swimmers? A physiological cheat sheet. So next time someone wonders what sperm looks like under a microscope, remember, they're small, squiggly, and surprisingly complex. There's a story in every little tale, and sometimes it's a clue to a bigger picture. Science is cool like that.